And then they go and they grab Carson Beck, quarterback from Miami. He was one quarterback that a lot of people weren't necessarily big fans of. I also wasn't really the big fan of not only his play style, but kind of his personality off the field. But going into this preseason game, the NFL Hall of Fame game, Carson Beck balled out. He was super efficient. Had 2 touchdowns, no interceptions. Yeah, also watching him, he looked good in the pocket. There were a few times where he was able to extend plays with his feet. He was able to, of course, escape out of the pocket, go for a first down at one point. Now, with all this being said, this is the NFL preseason. He is not going up against guys that are going to, be starters every Sunday. But it was enough of a instance to really captivate my attention and to make sure that I am watching this Cardinals quarterback room throughout this preseason.